One. Hi everyone, my name is Michael Teskey. I'm the National Sales Manager with Petawise Technologies in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Today we're going to take a look at an exciting new product. Model number is PW2020-4TENC11-EX. This is a very cool product. What it is it's a 4-port outdoor PoE switch powered by PoE, and it has a full enclosure. We're going to take a look at this product in more depth and do an unboxing and show you what this product can do for you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this box, show you what this product is all about, and we'll take a closer look at it. So it's going to come with protective wrap, and this is the product here. So what it is it's fully enclosed for weather protection and to keep the elements out. We will take a look at opening the unit here, and the switch is inside. You can see it there. I will pull it out so you can have a closer look at the unit and pull the switch right out. You can see the switch here closer. It has 5 ports. One of the ports is used to power this switch via PoE, and the 4 other ports are used to power PoE cameras. Also is PoE++. It has AI PoE watchdog functionality, and it has a wide temperature range, minus 30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So there's no fear of extreme temperatures, and it is plug and play. You can look at installing this on a wall, or you can also look at pole mounting it.